Hello guys, first of all thank you so much for joining in. Today's question is write a program that inputs a positive integer n. It should then output a message indicating whether the number is a prime number or not. We have to check if a number is prime or not. So how do we find it? First of all, let's see what a prime number is. Prime number is a number which is divisible by 1 and itself only. Let's say we have 5. 5 is a number which is divisible by 1 and 5. Okay. But let's say we have 4. 4 is divisible by 1, 2 and 4. Okay. So it has more than 2 factors. And for 5 it has only 2 factors. So apart from these two numbers, we have to count the numbers. If there is any number between 1 and 5, we have to count the number. If it is greater than 0, then we will tell that hey, we find the number which is in between 5 and it is not a prime number. Let's see in code. First of all, we will do scanner sc is equal to new scanner system dot in for taking input, and we will import the package import java dot util. Okay, now we will read the input int n is equal to sc dot next int. Okay, now what? We will find if there is a number between 1 and itself. We will say that here we find the number and it is not a prime number. How do we find it? We have to check again and again. For loop. For int I is equal to 2, I less than n, I plus plus. We have to count the number. So we will take an int count is equal to 0. Okay. If n modulo I is equal to 0, then we will count the number. We will increase it by 1. Okay. We will go outside the loop and say if we get count greater than 0, then it means it is not a prime number. Okay. It's not a prime. Else we'll simply print system.out.println it's a prime. Okay. If we started with 1 and equal to n, we have to do it like this. If count is greater than 2, okay, because there is 1 and itself also. Every time we will count 2, okay. 1 will also be divisible and itself will also be divisible, okay. So we will take count greater than 2. If it is, then it's not a prime, and else it's a prime. Let's firstly see from 2 to n, 0, let's say 7, it's a prime, okay. And again, let's say 21, it's not a prime because we have 3 also, 7 also. That's why we have count that is greater than 0. If you do it like this, that's not a problem. We can do it like this. 13, it's a prime. Again, 91, it's not a prime, okay. So that's for it, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I will see you in the next one.